Hi, I'm Scott Schubert. This will be the fourth video I've made on the subject of trading on a mobile device. And 2 or 3 years ago, the question was more, can you actually trade on a mobile device? But now I think that we're way past that point. And the question today is, what's the best way to use a mobile device to help to manage your trading business? Because now, a mobile device, whether it's an Android or an iPhone, is really a vital and essential tool in helping you to manage your trading business. What are some obvious reasons why people would want to use a mobile device to help with their trading? Well, one of the big reasons is because a lot of people still have another job that takes them away from trading, and they can't sit there and be looking at charts while they're working. And some people don't work at a computer anyway, but most people can take a break at some point during their workday and just look at the charts for a few minutes to see if there's anything they need to do. Now that you know from my previous videos that trades don't happen just at any time of day, they happen only at certain times a day, and usually only 2 or 3 times during a week are there really good trading opportunities. So for many people, if you can just take a break at some point in whatever you're doing and glance at the charts for a few minutes on your mobile device, you can usually see if there's a trading decision that will need to be made sometime in the near future. Now, another big reason is just lifestyle in general. Not everyone wants to or can sit at a computer all day long and all night every day. And wherever it is that you're going, whatever it is that you're doing, it's not just about playing golf or going to the beach, but it can be just going to the grocery store, going to the mall, doing some essential things that you need to do in your everyday life that takes you away from your computer. And if you need to go out and be away from a computer for a few hours, you can still take along your mobile device and you can see exactly what it is you need to see and make a trading decision if there's anything that needs to be done while you're out. Let me show you some ways that you can also use your mobile device to synchronize your trading plan from your home computer to your Android or iPhone, and to stay in touch with your trading community and receive alerts while you're away from your computer.
Okay, this may or may not be obvious, but the place to start regarding using your mobile device to help you to manage your trading business is at home on your home computer. Obviously, you're going to be a lot more comfortable and accurate with your analysis looking at your charts on your home computer using whatever desktop charts you normally use, because you can see everything you need to see. You have all the tools or indicators that you need. Now, the charts on the mobile are very close to showing you almost the exact same thing that you're seeing here, and they really show you everything you need to see, but it's just a little bit limited when you're working on a mobile. So obviously, before you go out, you want to have looked at the charts on your home computer. Now, most traders actually don't even have a plan for what they're going to do. In our trading community, we have a very specific plan that we're going to do a very specific thing. We're looking for a very specific thing. And that thing doesn't happen every minute of every day. It only happens at certain times. So I can take all of my charts on my home computer and look at them on all time frames, relax, take as much time as I need before I ever go anywhere. And if you actually intend to have a trading business, you are going to have a trading plan each day. And here's how you can make that much more effective. Look at all the charts for all the currency pairs that you're going to be considering. Go through all the time frames and take a screen capture of the charts. You can use this screen capture tool called Screen Hunter, which is one of the better free screen capture tools by WisdomSoft. So just take a picture of the screen, and this becomes part of your daily trading plan and a part of your record to document what you're seeing and what you intend to do. you'll find that if you do this every day, and then you look back at the previous days and the previous weeks and look at what you wrote down and what you were seeing at that time, it's going to definitely increase your skill in trading. So then you can take that screen capture that you just made, open it in another program such as Paint, and write on it, make notes on it, and draw things on it to show what you're looking at, and then write down all of your notes. Type up all of your notes and type exactly what you are intending to do. Now, what you're going to want to do is be able to access those notes on your mobile device before you even look at a chart on your mobile device, so that when you go out, first thing you're going to do is open up your notes and review what it was that you intended to do and what is it specifically that you're looking for, so that you'll be very clear and confident about what you're looking for when you're out away from your computer. And there are different ways that you can accomplish this, such as Google Documents. You can put all of this into Google Documents, and that will sync with your mobile device. I use a program called Evernote, which is an excellent note syncing tool that can do pretty much anything you would ever need to do, and you can store everything: websites, pictures, PDF files, audio, anything you need. You can put it into your notes in Evernote, and since this is such a robust program that I've been using for a while for all areas of life, along with another program called My Life Organized, a way to synchronize all of your tasks and so forth between your computer and your mobile device, then you can just take the screen captures of your charts and put them into Evernote, type up everything that you intend to do on that currency pair, and put exactly what it is you're looking for into your daily trading plan. Every trader who actually has an intention to have a business in trading is doing this every day. Think about it. If you don't have a written plan for what you intend to do every day in your trading business, you don't really probably have any intention to have a trading business. You're just going to do whatever. So once you put your notes into the Evernote, or whatever program you choose to use, such as Google Documents or some other application that accomplishes what it is that you need to do, then as soon as you pick up your mobile device, you can open it up, and those notes and the pictures, the screen captures of your charts and everything will be right there, and your written notes about what you intend to do, what it is that you're looking for to enter or exit a trade after you leave your home office.
Once you get out and away from your computer and you get ready to do some trading, of course, what you don't want to do is just open up your charts and jump into a trade, but you want to have a clear plan about what you intend to do, just like you would if you were on your home computer. So one of the things you can do is open up Evernote and go to the note that you made for that day on your home computer, or whatever application you're using to sync notes with your computer, so you can have all your written plan and the chart screen captures that you made while you were on your home computer. Now, when I make my plan on my home computer, I can also email the note to our community so that everyone receives the plan, and several of the other traders are also making their trading plans and sending them out to the rest of the group for synergy and mastermind collaboration, which really helps. By the way, I use a program called Canine Mail. It's a third-party email application that you can install on your Android, and you can set it up to have a separate email account for your alerts, and then you can set it up to have a notification for that particular email account. So I'm receiving alerts, and my phone will now make a special sound that it only makes when I receive an email in that account. Now, for charts on a mobile, on an Android or iPhone, I'm still using and recommending the same program, which is Trade Interceptor Mobile. This is still the best charting application that I've found for a mobile device. And it doesn't matter whether your broker connects to Trade Interceptor, which there are some brokers that do, but I often need to emphasize that charts are a different thing
from a broker's trading platform. You can look at any charting application, just like you could on your home computer. You could use eSignal or something like that, and when you enter a trade, you can enter it in your broker's trading platform. So a lot of people say, oh, I can't use that because my broker doesn't have that or whatever. So anyway, just feel free to use any charting program that you like, and almost every broker has some kind of a Android or iPhone app that will at least enable you to place trades, and most of them have some kind of charts, but you may not want to use those charts. So Trade Interceptor has plenty of indicators, many different indicators that I don't use. These are all the indicators that come with Trade Interceptor, so there's quite a few. But one thing that is very important in our community is the ability to add multiple indicators in the same channel. And so to add an indicator, simply press this little icon, which is supposed to be indicator icon, and then press the plus button, and then choose the indicator you want to add. And the way to get multiple indicators in the same channel is to click on the edit button, and then you have these little touchpad things on the left side which enable you to drag that indicator into the next indicator channel. So you can see it's a very nice chart display. You can zoom in, go back and forth. Zoom out, and it's a very nice display that's exactly like if you were looking at the right-hand side of your chart in MetaTrader or some other charting program. And of course you can turn the chart into the horizontal landscape mode and get a little bit wider view if you prefer that. Now you can transfer funds from your broker account to your bank account on your mobile, but for most brokers you're still going to have to go to the broker's company website and use one of their customer service features on the website to request a transfer, and they're not going to be instantaneous. For most brokers it will take 24 hours to up to 3 days to do a transfer. And then you can also do online banking on your mobile. You can read all the latest global economic news from your favorite news websites like Bloomberg and Reuters and CNN Money, Daily FX. One of the things that you can do on your mobile device is watch training videos. You can watch our own training videos on your mobile device. But what a lot of people don't know is that, yes, Android supports MP4 video and YouTube video, but a lot of the videos that are on websites are still Flash videos, which are not supported by Android. But I found out that there's a little-known interesting way to fix that problem. And that won't be the subject of this video, but I'll put a link below here to the solution so that you can get the fix that will enable your Android to play any of the Flash videos that are still out there on the web. Another thing you can do is to stay in touch with other traders in your trading community. You can even do web conferencing now on a mobile device. GoToWebinar is working on Android, and of course you can use Skype and message other people, and you can receive alerts through your email.
Now, another thing that you can do, and this is totally awesome, but it's not really new. This was in the last video I made about mobile trading over 2 years ago, and that is to use a remote access. And right now I have been using 2 remote access tools. One is called Log Me In, and one is called Team Viewer. And Team Viewer seems to work a lot better for me. So what I'm actually doing right now is I'm accessing my home computer, and these are the charts on my home computer. So if all else fails, if you don't like the mobile Android version of your charts, although you can see that Trade Interceptor works just fine as an Android app, you can access it from anywhere. You can access your home computer and not just look at your home computer charts, but do anything that you would need to do that you could only do on your home computer. So this is quite an amazing and powerful, very cool and awesome tool that you can also do on your mobile device. Just log in and take remote access of your home computer, and as you can see your home computer screen clearly and brilliantly and do anything that you would need to do via remote.